Good afternoon, sir. My topic for today is sexual problem. Sexual problems refer to difficulties or challenges that arise during sexual activity. Hindering sexual satisfaction for men and women of any age. Ang sexual problem kuno sir. Wala siya gapili sa mga minor de edad or labaw pa nimo. Naran sa bae or laki kay ang sexual problem like sexual murag na kanang ang issue na ni kanang na problema ang laki na problema ang bae. Then there are problem of sexuals. Hormonal imbalance in hormones can restores estrogens hormones can cause of sexual problem. Next is physiological factors. Physiological factors such as anxiety, depression, and stress can cause sexual problem. Physical factors ko na sir like maka-cause po ni sa if stress, daghan kay pangunahuna, dili na mo work imong pagka sexual og daghan kag kuan problema. So more sir, thank you.